Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltzed in like somebody planned it all. I feel right where I belong. My knees are weak, my heart is strong. So give me your word and I'll give you all I got. No, we don't have much, but it sure feels like a lot. So take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Take my heart and take my hand. I'll be your lover and I'll be your friend. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Too good to be true.
I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna spend my life with you. Too good to be true.
Wanna spend my life with you.
Wanna spend my life with you.
Pleasure that I welcome you here today at the Marrakesh on behalf of this beautiful bride and a handsome young man. Both of them are very welcome that you can be here with them today to celebrate this wonderful occasion, their wedding.
Six on the second hand to New Year's resolutions, and there's just no question what this man should do. Take all the time lost, all the days that I cost. Take what I took and give it back to you. All this time we were waiting for each other. All this time I was waiting for you.
You have given me the best gift of my life. You're my best friend, my partner in crime, my love, and my reason.
Kiss the bride!
Straight in a straight